gorgeous jelly babes, thank you for coming and checking out another one of my videos. So this is a very unusual design for me in that it's very nude based. I know it's very glitzy and glam, which we all love. I love glitter, and I know many of my friends love glitter also. And I also did like a 3D sort of liquid gemmy kind of thing here, which I'm showing you. So I've already gone ahead and prepped my nails ready for a gel manicure. I will leave a video on that if you don't know the steps to that. I used a Naio Nails Urban Graffiti base coat, gel base coat, and this is the base colour. I love this 007 Bond, Glitter Bond, or in this case Bond, Nude Bond. I'll stop. Okay. So these are the two glitters that I applied to my nails. This is the fabulous Chameleon glitter. So it's a gorgeous sort of rose gold metallic-y kind of look, which is called Charmed, which I've been dying to use ever since I reviewed it. So I will leave links to that if you've not seen it. And also as well, although this company, We Heart Nails, is no longer trading, I know, it's totally gutted. They came out with this gorgeous sort of hollow metallic look, this is what it looks like on my nail. And I'm going to be using this amazing Glitterarty brush. It applies glitter like a dream. I totally love it, and love my friend for buying it for me. So I'm just going to show you this now. So for this step, I'm not speeding it up or anything. You're going to see in real time. This brush really collects the glitter really well. Just going to focus. So you can see there that I've got it on the glitter. Sorry, glitter is really sort of impacted onto the nail. I'm just going to apply it over there just so I don't lose any. And literally in a few touches, it is all over your nail, and this glitter is sticking to the tacky layer that you get from a gel polish. So I'm just going to get my BeautyBigbang sort of clean up gorgeous rose gold brush. So there you go. How amazing is that? And I'm just going to apply this to the ring finger as well, but this is sped up. So yeah, applying glitter was like literally a dream with that brush. It was amazing. And just look at how gorgeous it is. It's metallic but got hollow bits coming through it as well. So next up is this Charmed, which is just, again, such an awesome colour. I love the sort of contrast of the two sort of kind of rose goldy looks. And I'm just going to apply it to my thumb. Sorry that this was out of focus. The middle finger I don't apply anything to, because obviously that's where my sort of liquid stone gem kind of thing is going to be. So I'm just going to clean up. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply a top coat. I don't know why it keeps going black. It's very annoying. I'm going to have to see why and sort that out. So I'm just applying it to the nail like so. And then obviously you want to make sure that there's no polish on the skin, and then pop it underneath the lamp to cure it. So now I'm going to be using quite a new set from Uberchic. It's the collection 22. I know they've brought out another one since this one. I haven't even got a chance to review it yet, and they've brought out another one. But I love this sort of prospect of having like a jeweled look on the nail. So I'm going to be using the Hit the Bottle Champagne Shifter, my beloved clear jelly stamper. I'm going to just take this sort of circle here, and that's obviously going to be my base and where I am going to be applying all the glitter to kind of build it up into like a 3D gem kind of thing. So there you go. So what I'm going to do now is get some polish. It is a top coat. It's a no wipe top coat, and I'm not curing it at this point. I'm just sort of smoothing it out. And basically I'm going to apply the glitter into this sort of uncured gel top coat. So the first thing that I'm going to use is this Chameleon sort of flake. It's from a brand called KUKA, I think it's called. And I'm just going to get a fan brush and pick up the Chameleon glitter and kind of sort of place it in the top coat like so. I've tried to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Doesn't really matter if it goes off the edge because you can just sort of push it in afterwards and make sure it stays in that sort of circle area or wherever it is that you want it. So I'm just using the clean up brush just to make sure that the gel top coat isn't sort of like sliding off and having a weird shape. So there you go. So then moving on, I'm going to apply some BeautyBigbang Holo Flakes. I'm just going to get a dotting tool to pick this up. There you go. I had cured this, by the way. I didn't make that very clear. Oh no, I didn't. You cure it now, so I've placed it into it like so. So you get to see the hollow flakes and sparkle as well. And then I'm just going to apply some more top coat. Just sort of going a big blob here. This is my clear jelly stamper brush. And I'm just basically building up the top coat because obviously I want it to be more 3D. And then I'm going to be using these holographic sort of separate glitter or loose glitter. Just going to apply a little bit more just to make it sort of be built up a bit more. And then I'm going to get, also this is Glitterarty and it's sort of round glitters, again loose glitter, and I'm just going to place them inside the top coat as well. So just use whatever you have that picks up glitter easiest. I found just using the actual brush with some top coat on was easy enough for this sort of hexagon shaped holographic glitter. There you go. And can you see how it's starting to raise now? I don't want it obviously going too high, so I'm careful how much sort of extra top coat I'm applying. And then I just go ahead and apply some of these smaller round glitters as well, just to sort of bring in the goldy tones that I've sort of chose to do with this. So instead of using this circle one, I actually go and use this one just because it's a bit more open, so you've got more chance of seeing that glitter. I did try the circle one and it just didn't look right. You couldn't see the glitter, and obviously because I'm putting it over a raised image as well, that also distorts the sort of shape. So I just thought that this one looked the best to kind of make a sort of 3D jewel blingy look. So I was really pleased with how it turned out. So this one didn't end up being as high as the one on my other hand, which I'm showing you here, and also my really dry nails. So there you go. Sorry, I'm just going to get it to focus. Well, I'm really, really pleased with how these turned out. So what I'm going to do now is just apply another layer of gel top coat over the top of that, just to make sure that the stamping polish is also cured. And then I'm going to be applying these different rhinestones to my ring finger, just to add that little bit more of bling. So again, I'm using the top coat, and I'm with this, for it to last as long as possible with the gel manicure, I'm applying the top coat in stages. So I've applied a little bit now, and obviously I've not cured it, and I'm just applying the rhinestones to my nails. Can be a little bit fiddly. I need to get a better sort of rhinestone pickup. But I don't well, let me get what I'm trying to say. I very rarely put like rhinestones on my own nails because of the fact that they might ping off dead quickly. So I'm kind of intrigued to see how long these last really on my nails. So this sort of blingy finger was very much inspired by Fifi Cross. She's on here on on YouTube, and she's on Instagram as well. If you've not seen her, please go and check out her work. She is amazing, and her nails always look awesome. And she's got like is it a blinky? Something like that. Basically like a blingy pinky nail, which looks gorgeous. So that's kind of where my inspiration came from for this. So I'm just sort of moving the glitters around till I am happy. And I've cured that underneath my nail, so I'm applying some more top coat now. And what I'm doing is actually sort of pushing the brush in between the gems. I'm trying to avoid going over the rhinestones because that can cloud them, but sort of putting it in and around the jewels was hopefully sort of keep them more sort of encapsulated to the gel top coat. So I'm using this one here, and I'm only using this big one here just because it's got like a really cool colour shift. I didn't do it on this one just because basically I'd cured it before I realised that I wanted to put this rhinestone on, but it doesn't sort of make that much difference. Like, it's not dead obvious is what I'm trying to say. So then I'm going back to these rhinestones as well, just smaller ones that I'm sort of putting in and around the bigger gems. And I'm kind of trying to put this down in like a V shape. So this is still uncured at the moment, just because obviously I'm applying the glitters. And then basically once I've got them where I want them, I cure it again. And you continue, you know, the process until you've filled your nail. And as you can see from here, it can be a very time-consuming process if they decide that they don't want to come out of their sort of chamber. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust to get like a bigger rhinestone, like a more chunkier one there, which these are going to go to. So there you go. Doesn't it look so pretty? So this is the end look, which I'm absolutely loving. So then I'm just going to finish off by applying top coat, sort of an extra top coat to all of the nails, just to make sure it's going to last as much as possible. I'm not putting anything on the ring finger because, like I said, I don't want it to cloud the rhinestones. And that is the end look. I really hope you guys love it as much as I do. It's a really, really sort of blingy, glitzy look, and I'm quite liking the nude on my nails, I've got to tell you, jelly babes, especially with glitter because it's just extra sparkly and extra glam. So thank you so much for coming and watching this tutorial. Please make sure you watch through to the end to see some other videos that you might not have seen, and obviously you can click that subscribe button as well. Take care, jelly babes.